Industry 4.0 promises to transform today's businesses with interconnection, information transparency, technical assistance, and decentralized decision-making. Early adopters will invariably become tomorrow's competitive leaders, but will all companies have equal access to the benefits of Industry 4.0? Current intelligent asset management solutions, encompassing IoT, smart sensors, human-machine interfaces, and data visualization, are targeted to large, asset-intensive businesses with revenues of $500 million or more. Small and mid-sized businesses with less than $500 million in revenue make up 90% of the $27 billion digital factory and manufacturing market segment, but remain largely underserved by current solutions. High startup costs and the infrastructure required to implement these solutions results in SMBs being left behind in the new wave of digital transformation. Democratized IoT solutions designed for cash-conscious SMBs are needed to allow them to get into the game. To deliver this solution, a creative monetization model is needed to reduce barriers to entry for customers. It needs to be based on outcomes, not promises. SMBs can't afford to take a leap of faith that would jeopardize their ability to pay their suppliers, their employees, and themselves. I'm Kelly McGinnis, co-CEO of Maverick IQ. We founded Maverick IQ when we identified this gap in the market that was leaving SMBs with limited options when it came to intelligent asset management. Leveraging over 60 years of industrial and manufacturing expert experience, our goal is to empower SMBs to achieve the same levels of asset optimization, reliability, and efficiency as their larger counterparts. We integrate engineering, software, and IoT solutions to provide comprehensive services and easy-to-use asset optimization software, incorporating remote monitoring, digital twins, AI, and machine learning. Our data-driven solutions can be implemented immediately to quickly yield measurable results in cost savings, efficiency, sustainability, reliability, and safety. Tailored to meet SMBs at any stage of their digital transformation, whether they're already monitoring their assets or they're buried in paper processes. Our industry and tech-agnostic software builds on customers' existing infrastructure instead of starting from scratch, and combined with our outcomes as a service and data as a service monetization models, we have drastically reduced the high upfront costs. We empower our customers to achieve their digital transformation goals and drive innovation across the industry.